this video, we go to the 3.33 topic to make the large file split. It's one kind of not exactly as the style, but it's our kind of a way you can arrange your very big diagram to have the good page layout, especially when you want to print out those. You need to be better to split that to some the easier the page layout that you can print to the output device. It's simple. It's used the keyword page. Page after some number times another number. First is the horizontal page number. Second is the vertical page numbers. And so if you want to split to 4 pages, that can be the 2 by 2. Is 2 times 2. O is the horizontal is a 3, then vertical is 2, then you put is 3 times 2, then that's the total split to 6 page. So those are the syntax for that. Let's use this so-called is a bigger diagram to make a demo. So let me create 033. That is our part. We use this. You can also use some specific setting to put border on split pages as an example. So let's skip this, but we will have title split into 4 pages. So we then that means we may use 2 times 2. So let's first make our diagram. So we will have our class base class. Let's see where is this is our class. Then we will have our package. So namespace can be exchanged as a package. So you can use namespace. And let's make those automatically creating the net.dummy. So then dummy will be the second layer. Then this is a curly braces. We can create a tool. So class meeting class person. Then from that is we will put this relationship. So base, and we have this meeting with person. So let me see if I put smaller meeting with person. We have 2 linkage, right? Base. I don't think it's we have 2 lines, just 1 line. So here is case sensitive. So we already show that now. So you should use the same case as the name. So now we have this one, and we already learned this how to make the background color. So just put our color name under this class name or namespace name. So dummy is rendered like this. And then we have the second one is namespace full with net. Also have that. So I didn't draw this base to meeting to person within this one because my suggestion is if you define, even if I suggest further is you put relationship wholly after the complete definition area. But since this one is just inside your dummy namespace, you can do like this. Then people can read this as our complete area. So, but I don't recommend you put this relationship like this sample inside the namespace, because one end of this link, like this base class, is outside of your this linkage. So You can use this dot to come to this base space, but it's better we use define that afterwards. Like here, then you can directly use this base color, not like this and with this one, the aggregate to meetings, because meeting is also our correct this class. So with that is we can have better the readability. So let me put that person. I don't see we have a person to person things skin. Do we have that? No, not yet. So this one is let me add those. Otherwise, it's not have those. So person can aggregate of person and also meeting. I think we don't need to draw this second one. So then we have a full. Within full, let's define full have our another class of person. But this class person is under full namespace. And then we should have those ones. Let me see. So is net. That is not. Oh, so let's see here. So if you want to distinguish this person with this person, you need to have this full length. So let me create another one. So from base class, now this one is full. So then we have a link is coming to here. So that is also clear. Is then you put something here. So but these are also inter-exchangeable. So now we have another. So this is unused, right? So let me put this used, and I have an empty namespace. So for this one, we don't need anything. So we just let me put our empty. So full. I think it's this one is not exactly like this. So here is unused, all right? Let me see any link is we are missing. So from here we have person have a double to here. So let me get this double. Dummy. And now let's have this double. Try to make that similar to here. So now this part is also okay. So I think it's we can create our full here. Namespace night. Yeah, here is a full. And maybe I gave her another, otherwise it's too empty. So class 1. So now I have this with our something, and this is unused. Let's adding this page. So before our definition, page 2 times 2. What's the effect? So when I export, so let me do this Control Shift with P, PNG. It's just the one page, right? Page 2 times 2. Into 4 page. Okay, so I should put that here. Now let's create another. it's still not work. So let me create those skins. Skin theorem, page margin 10. What's the effect? Skin theorem, page external color, gray. Page border color, let me put that red. It's no link. And how to show that? Export the current. If I put this to PNG, it's only export to one page. So it's not the several 4 page. So this one is not running as what I expected. Get some very large image file. You can use this to split the generated file into several files, each page. So we have this 2 times 2, like this. But looks like this is not read as our keywords. Keywords is like that, but this page is not running, so not pages. So if you go also, if I put anything, they have a change on here. So, but I don't see any effect when I export that. So maybe it's I should. Shall I export that to the different file? It's got arrow, so mean Java. Let me put this here. Save before you export your diagram. So I already saved, I think. Export the current. Let me change that to some other file, like it's SVG. But I don't see it's split into 4 files. It's still just the one file's code. So let's we started. So let's stop here first. I would like to use some investigation steps to do that afterwards, and back to you during the next video. So I also wish to see some comments or the feedback from you when you watch until this video to see whether you are creating the same result or not. So this happens sometimes is when we read this reference guide, there's some months is already earlier. So it's some features may not be valid anymore. Some features got improvements. Let's see. So I don't think this will be a bug, but I need to find out the reason. So hopefully you got the answers before me. So see you then. Bye.